right, we are back with a great recipe that we think you'll want to pay attention to.
Easy holiday dip is on the menu as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Tis the season for holiday parties, and if you've got one coming up or going to one, I've got an easy dip recipe you're gonna love, so let's do it. For this, you're gonna need some extra virgin olive oil, diced shallots, garlic, half a jalapeno, some canellini beans, 1 lime, fresh cilantro, and a teaspoon of cumin, and salt and pepper. We've got olive oil in a hot pan, and it's ready for our diced shallots. Gonna toss them in. We're just gonna get that sautéed until it's caramelized. The shallot is in the onion family, but it's got a milder taste, so it gives it that flavor without being too much. For this recipe, you're gonna need a little mini chopper. It's the best way, so everything comes out nice and creamy in a dip. We start with some cannellini beans, rinsed and drained right out of the can. A little blend. We're gonna add in our shallots that we sautéed on the stove top. I'm gonna add in a little bit of diced jalapeno. We'll start with that much. And then we're gonna put in some fresh lime juice and some cumin. We're back to pulsing. Now we're gonna put in some fresh cilantro. Let's just get it down there so it all blends well. That's it. Doesn't get any easier than that. Take it to your next party and you'll be a hit. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nerey. Buon appetito.
All right, we got you covered this holiday season. You can find more information on this and other recipes on our website at WSVN.com. Just click on Entertainment and then on Bite. That's also where you can dig into Belkys' Bite blog.